Father Tony. Our Lady of Fatima Parish, please come in front for a picture with Father Tony. Our Lady of Fatima Parish, please. Next naman, Holy Eucharist Parish. Okay, we have to make it fast. There's a mass at 12 noon. Okay. After Holy Eucharist Parish, we have San Antonio de Padua Parish. Please stand by na po. Okay na po yung Our Lady of Fatima. Thank you, Lady of Fatima.
Dear Lord, the sweet and the ocean, deep far and wide.
Holy Eucharist Parish.
Dear Lord, this little faith of mine, give me the eyes to see your face divine. Oh, dear Lord, I know you are near, but I want to hear you more. Like a song lost in my memory.
We would like to acknowledge, of course, Attorney Romy Macalintal for joining us today.
Thank you, Attorney Romy. Thank you for your presence. And my family, my brothers are here who will have picture taking after.
Okay, Holy Eucharist Parish. Standby po San Antonio de Padua. I'd like to also announce that the way to the 6th floor of the St. Andrew Gym is on this side po. So you don't have to go out at the back. Dito po tayo dadaan sa may harap ng altar, going to the side entrance of the St. Andrew Gym. Okay, somebody left their purse here inside the church. Nandito po sa amin sa harap. It's a brown purse with some money inside. Pakiklaim po dito sa harap.
I dare, dear Lord, in every bending way, your touch is shore.
Okay, once again, yung tapos na pong magpag-picture, pwede na pong pumunta dito sa may harap, going to the side entrance of St. Andrew Gym. We have a registration table po on the side.
Oh, dear Lord, I know you are near.
San Antonio de Padua is next.
Like a song lost in my memory, it seems that I lost you, Lord.
Okay, after San Antonio de Padua, Santa Rita de Casia Decacia Parish. Please stand by for picture with Father Tony. Attorney Marina. Once again, the entrance, the way to the St. Andrew Jean is on the side facing the altar. Lalakad po kayo dito sa harap. You don't have to go out of the church. Dito po tayo sa side entrance. After Santa Rita de Casia, Our Lady of Beautiful Love Parish. Paredy na po. San Antonio de Padua.
Si Tambonting.
We have to double time kasi may misa po ng 12. Okay, Santa Rita de Casia. Stand by. Our Lady of Beautiful Love Parish. I hope.
Paranaque po ako piyo. Lawerta po, Lawerta.
How are you, sir? Very good. Basta kayo, Congressman. Thank you.
Okay, after Santa Rita de Casia, Our Lady of
Thank you.
Sana.
Thank you so much.
Stand by
Saka na
po.
umiyak.
Landan lang po,
Hindi na
Lawerta.
namerta pa rin. Kahit ang braso.
Sila, dito sa Kala Israel, Boko.
Ay, di ba? May dami, di ba? Thank you, sir.
Okay, next po, Our Lady of Beautiful Love. Please po lang. Next, after Our Lady of Beautiful Love, Mary, Mother of the Church, Parish. Pagkatapos po magpa-picture, pwede na po pumunta sa side entrance ng St. Andrew Gym.
Doon nung daan dyan. Papuntang gym dyan.